something strange has happened. Something that could rewrite everything we thought we knew about the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most advanced eye on the cosmos, has just detected a galaxy so ancient, so impossibly far back in time, that it appears to be older than the Big Bang itself. Let that sink in for a moment. How can anything exist before the very moment the universe began? This isn't just a glitch in the data or a simple scientific error. It's a discovery that's shaking the foundations of cosmology. Scientists around the world are scrambling to explain it, and the theories being proposed are as wild as they are fascinating. Did we miscalculate the age of the universe? Is our model of the Big Bang flawed? Or could this be evidence of a previous universe, one that existed before our own? In this video, we'll explore how the James Webb Telescope made this discovery, why this ancient galaxy is defying everything we thought we knew about time and space, what this could mean for the future of cosmology, and whether we're on the verge of uncovering a much deeper cosmic truth. The discovery began like many others, quietly, almost unnoticed, buried within streams of data coming back from the James Webb Space Telescope. As scientists were scanning distant galaxies in the early universe, just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang, they came across something peculiar, a faint signal, a reddish glow stretched by billions of years of cosmic expansion. At first glance, it seemed like just another ancient galaxy, but as researchers calculated its redshift, they froze. The numbers didn't add up. This galaxy, later dubbed JWST 30, appeared to exist 13.6 billion years ago, possibly even earlier. For reference, the Big Bang itself is believed to have occurred around 13.8 billion years ago. This means we could be looking at a galaxy that formed a mere 200 million years after everything supposedly began. Or even before that. It's located in the constellation Fornax, a quiet patch of sky where telescopes often peer deep into time. And while Hubble once pushed the boundaries of deep space imaging, it never saw anything like this. This galaxy is small, dim, and primitive, but somehow it formed faster and earlier than our current models allow. No one had ever seen anything so ancient with such clarity. The discovery stunned astronomers. For decades, we've believed galaxies took longer to form, but this one challenges that. It's not just a distant smudge, it's a cosmic clue, possibly from a time before time. And if the redshift is confirmed, it could mean we're peering into an era of the universe we never thought we'd see, or worse, misunderstood entirely. To understand just how shocking this discovery is, we need to break down the science behind what the James Webb Space Telescope actually saw, and why it's creating such a stir in the astrophysics community. When astronomers look at incredibly distant galaxies, they aren't seeing them as they are now. They're seeing them as they were billions of years ago. That's because light from those galaxies takes time to reach us, and the farther away something is, the further back in time we're looking. It's like cosmic archaeology. James Webb is equipped with an incredibly sensitive infrared camera, designed specifically to see this stretched, ancient light. When the galaxy JWST 30 was detected, its redshift, basically how much the light has been stretched as the universe expands, was higher than anything previously recorded. That redshift suggested we were looking at a galaxy that existed just 300 million years after the Big Bang. But here's the twist. Some recalculations are now suggesting it might have formed even earlier than that, maybe only 200 million years after, or less. At that point, the universe would have still been cloaked in hydrogen fog, just emerging from the so-called cosmic dark ages. This doesn't make sense based on our current models of galaxy formation. We believe that after the Big Bang, the universe cooled and expanded, eventually forming simple atoms, then stars, and then galaxies, over hundreds of millions of years. But this galaxy appears far too developed, far too soon. It's like walking into a nursery and finding a fully grown adult. How could it have formed so quickly? Scientists are now considering whether our understanding of the early universe is fundamentally flawed. Maybe galaxies formed much faster than we thought. Or maybe, just maybe, the Big Bang wasn't the beginning of everything. Could there have been an earlier cosmic cycle? Are we seeing remnants of a universe that came before ours? What's clear is that the James Webb Telescope, with its unmatched ability to peer deeper into time and space than any tool before it, has cracked open a door we never expected. And what's on the other side is a growing mystery that science can't yet explain, because this galaxy is so incredibly distant. The light we're seeing left it over 13 billion years ago. That means what we observe now actually happened billions of years in the past, long before Earth even existed. So, if anything dramatic, like an explosion or sudden change, is happening there, it may have already occurred hundreds of millions or even billions of years ago. In other words, we're watching history unfold in slow motion across the universe. This cosmic delay is one of the most mind-bending parts of astronomy. When we say something is, say, 13 billion light-years away, it means its light took 13 billion years to reach us. So we're not seeing the galaxy as it is today. We're seeing it as it was when the universe was a fraction of its current age. If that galaxy were to explode in a brilliant burst of energy, that spectacular event might have happened eons ago. But the light from that explosion is still traveling through space, slowly making its way toward us. And when that light finally arrives, the explosion could light up the sky in ways that would stun anyone watching from Earth. Imagine an object so bright it could rival the full moon, shining even during the day. Such an event would not only captivate astronomers but potentially reveal new clues about the early universe's violent beginnings. While we don't yet know if an explosion is imminent, the very possibility opens up thrilling questions about what cosmic fireworks might await us, and when. For now, we wait, looking deeper into the night sky, hoping to catch the universe's oldest stories as they unfold. Imagine stepping outside on a clear night, looking up, and suddenly seeing a star, or, in this case, a galaxy, ignite in a brilliant blaze of light. The explosion would light up the sky like a cosmic fireworks show, far brighter than anything we've ever witnessed before. It could shine so intensely that it rivals the brightness of the full moon, making the stars around it seem to fade away in comparison. For days or even weeks, this fiery beacon could be visible across entire continents, a glowing reminder of the universe's raw and powerful energy. With the naked eye, this spectacle would look like a sudden, dazzling light that refuses to be ignored. Its colors might shift and dance, from brilliant whites to fiery reds and blues, painting the night sky in hues that stir wonder and awe. Even in the faint glow of dawn, this cosmic explosion could remain visible, an extraordinary sight that unites humanity in shared amazement. Beyond the scientific marvel, this event would carry deep emotional weight. We'd be witnessing something that transcends our everyday lives, a reminder of how small and connected we are in the grand cosmic story. This could be a once-in-a-civilization moment, an event so rare that it's unlikely to happen again in our lifetime, or perhaps ever. It's a chance to pause, look up, and feel that profound sense of wonder that only the universe can inspire. It's a cosmic reminder that, no matter where we come from, we all share this same sky. This cosmic explosion isn't just a spectacular light show. It's a goldmine for science, offering clues about how the universe creates the very building blocks of everything we know. When massive stars or galaxies go supernova or collide, they forge heavy elements like gold, platinum, and uranium in their fiery cores. These rare elements are then scattered across space, seeding future stars, planets, and even life itself. In a way, this ancient galaxy's explosive event is part of the universe's grand recycling program, turning the remnants of old stars into the ingredients for new worlds. It's mind-blowing to think that every atom in our bodies, the calcium in our bones, the iron in our blood, even the gold in our jewelry, originated from processes in stars like the ones in this distant galaxy. The cosmos recycles itself on an unimaginable scale, and discoveries like this help us trace that cycle back to its earliest moments. To put this in perspective, consider some of the massive stars closer to home, like Antares, a red supergiant, nearing the end of its life, or VY Canis Majoris, one of the largest known stars in our galaxy. When stars like these explode, they release incredible amounts of energy and heavy elements, enriching the galaxy and shaping the next generation of celestial bodies. Studying an explosion in such an ancient, distant galaxy could reveal new details about how the first elements formed, how early galaxies evolved, and ultimately how the universe grew from a simple soup of particles into the complex cosmic tapestry we see today. It's a rare window into our cosmic origins, and a reminder that we are all made of stardust, connected to the universe in the most fundamental way. While the idea of such a massive explosion might sound alarming, it's important to reassure ourselves that Earth is completely safe. This galaxy is so incredibly far away that any supernova or cosmic event happening there poses no real danger to us. Even though these explosions release enormous amounts of energy, the vast distances in space mean that by the time anything reaches us, it's nothing more than a faint whisper of light. That said, some effects might be noticeable here on Earth in subtle ways, like spectacular auroras lighting up the polar skies or slight increases in atmospheric ionization. These phenomena are harmless and actually give scientists valuable information about cosmic events happening far beyond our planet. Thanks to advanced neutrino detectors and other observatories around the world, astronomers have a sort of early warning system. Neutrinos, tiny, nearly massless particles released in huge numbers during a supernova, travel faster than light and reach Earth first. This lets scientists alert the global community before the brilliant explosion's light even arrives, giving us time to prepare and study the event in detail. So while the universe might be full of powerful forces, our place here is safe, and our eyes remain wide open, ready to witness the wonders that unfold. We're witnessing the final breath of a giant, a farewell millions of years in the making. Across unimaginable distances and unfathomable spans of time, this ancient galaxy's story reaches us, reminding us just how vast and mysterious the cosmos truly is. It's a humbling moment to realize that the light we see tonight began its journey long before our world existed, traveling across the fabric of space and time to reach our eyes. In that light, we find a connection to something far greater than ourselves, a cosmic narrative that stretches back to the dawn of existence and continues unfolding even now. This explosion, this brilliant farewell, is not just the end of one chapter, but the beginning of countless others, spreading elements and energy that will shape new stars, planets, and perhaps even life. So let us keep looking up, with wonder and curiosity, knowing that the universe is filled with hidden wonders waiting to be discovered. Every twinkle in the night sky is a story, a mystery, a reminder that we are part of an ever-evolving cosmic dance. And as we gaze into the depths of space, we take part in that story too, travelers on a journey that has no end. If you found this story fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support helps us keep exploring the universe together.